Why is the music going so?
I don't know.
Here it is.
Oh my word. What do you find it? There's people probably staring at me, but I don't care. That's my car right there. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the last couple of videos you guys have seen. We've been posting a lot of videos that were like car meets, car races. That isn't going to be the majority of what our channel is going to look like. The majority of our channel is going to look like the video you're going to see today, the next few videos you guys are going to see. It's going to be a lot more about building cars rather than just like going to car events and looking at them. We're still going to do that, obviously. We'll take you along for whenever we go and do those things. But the main thing that we want to do is just have a building channel where we can show our builds, our project cars, and the process as we build them. We want to be able to show you guys some other cars that we get in, the builds that we do with them. We take cars that have been in accidents and we kind of rebuild them, basically. That's what we do. So if you guys watch Goon Squad, that's basically what we do. We've been doing this for a few years now, but we've finally decided to go ahead and make a YouTube channel. Other people have been successful with it, so maybe we can be successful. Plus, I enjoy editing. Oleg, my husband, enjoys doing the work, so it just kind of makes sense. Ignore the mess going on right here. We had unexpected renovations happen this past week. Olenka, your house or your apartment is falling apart. Okay.
What do we do?
What do we do?
Or not?
So stop. What do we actually do?
Or not?
Okay, let's go. We have
Anyone that dries when it's wet.
So, that's what this channel is going to be about. A lot more building rather than just looking at cars. This video is just all about me getting my dream project car for right now, the BMW M240i X-Drive. So join us, subscribe if you're into this kind of stuff, like if you actually liked the video. If you didn't, then you don't have to like it, but maybe don't dislike it because like we're new to this. Also, I forgot to mention, we do have an Instagram. It's mainly just about our BMWs. We don't really post too much of like the work stuff. You guys enjoy some good car content, or at least what I think is good car content. Yeah, if you guys need another car page to follow on Instagram, I will have those linked down below. But for those who are too lazy to look, it's just BMW_Beast, the letter N, and then Beauty. So BMW_Beast and Beauty. Yeah, all the other good names were taken. Enjoy the video. See ya!
High participation in the lane.
Okay, my hands are literally shaking right now. Stop it, stop it. Okay, babe, don't.
New bidder.
Okay, click it.
Mine's been up to 14.5 hours.
Stop. No, you sucker.
Why is the music going so?
I don't know.
Oh, now I gotta come.
Bonus time.
Oh, come on. Bonus time.
Is this for real?
Come on, come on, come on. Pure seal too.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
New
Your
bidder.
face is
No.
Oh hard. We won it. We really did that. Look, you're shaking.
Good thing for stabilization.
Okay, how much did we pay for it? 14,600. I got so scared because I saw the bidder was from New York, and I was like, no, like he literally lives in that state with that car.
Put it right to pay for it. Go ahead, I gotta get the Rams in. Oh, keep going on. Keep one more. One more. It's good. Good. Good.
No traction?
Okay, hold it, go. Nice. Sounds fresh. Do you think it comes like that stock or it has a tune on it?
Pedestrian warning.
That's what I like.
We gotta wrap the windows. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Wrap the windows, tint the windows. Let me see the keys.
Oh, 2 blue.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was gonna say. They gave the blue one, which is interesting because it doesn't have the blue trim. But I guess they just and 2 of them. Nice, 2 keys. Got 2 screw keys. You know what this means, Oleg? We're gonna become legit with this YouTube channel now. You're gonna have to explain to everybody what happened to the car and everything. Oh, beautiful! And it's the dark gray because they have it in like the regular, like how I have it on my car or how I had it, and I really like the darker one. I didn't look like it had that one on the pictures. I thought it had this like the silver one. The front window's cracked? Oh. It's the beginning of a journey, isn't it? Fun one, yes. So now we got the 240. And we got the, where's your car? The IS. And we got the other IS in the garage, in the shop. That's what's up.
Hey, Johnny! Look how nice they were! Look how nice they are! Gave me all those bolts and screws!
Oh, you're stoking? I'm stoking. Oh, yeah. Man, this is nuts. It's mine now. I'm stoking. I didn't know that this was wood. I'm not a big fan of that. I personally don't really like wood. This one's not too bad though. I'm still gonna wrap it. And all the boys are stoking it. Alright. Yes.